Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you the basic editing tool in Vegas Pro. By the end of this video, you'll know how to import clips, cut and trim footage, add transitions, text, music, and export your finished video. First, import your video files. Go to File, Import, Media, or simply drag your videos directly into the Project Media window. Then drag your clip onto the timeline to start editing. To remove unwanted footage, move the playhead to where you want to make a cut and press the S key to split the clip. Select the unwanted section and press delete. You can also drag the edges of a clip to trim the beginning or end. To create a smooth transition, overlap two clips on the timeline. Vegas Pro automatically creates a transition between them. You can adjust the length of the transition by changing the amount of overlap. For beginners, a simple fade is a great choice. Now let's add some text. Open Media Generators. Choose a title or text preset and drag it onto a video track above your footage. Double-click the text event to change the words, font, size, and color. To add background music, import an audio file and drag it onto an audio track. Keep the music lower than your voice. You can adjust the volume using the track controls or the audio event's volume level. For a quick visual improvement, use Vegas Pro's color adjustment tools to increase or decrease brightness and saturation. Keep your adjustments subtle so the footage still looks natural. Finally, it's time to export. Go to File, Render As, choose a format such as MP4. Select a suitable HD preset, and click Render. And that's it, you've just created your first edit in Vegas Pro. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials.